Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz. I don't believe that this shoe needs any introduction at all. When NMD OG version 1 came out, it was a super hit. Everyone wanted it, and I was glad that I got. This is the first version. There came a second version of the same OG model, just with a few differences. But I absolutely love this one. I didn't know it was going to be a big hit. I was like, hey, let me try it out and see, and I was happy that I got it. So this video is going to be a comparison between NMD R1 V1 with NMD R1 V2. So version 2 of this same shoe, and I got it in the same size, US 11, European 45. So looking at both of these shoes, we have a textile and prime knit upper, and toe box is a little bit different. On the OG, everything was in one piece, and on the new one, version 2, we have a perforated edge in the middle, so it separates it with two different parts. Moving up, it says NMD. I'm not really a big fan of this. I like this better, cleaner, nicer. So NMD here, we can just skip it. I'm not a big fan of this at all. Moving up, we have now round laces compared to NMD version 1, where we had flat laces. And I don't really mind the round laces. It creates a little bit bulkier, heavier, bigger shoe. For me, it doesn't really matter. I can rock both of them. What do you guys think? So we have round laces with white dots on it. And then moving up, we have the Adidas logo, and then with the trefoil. On version 1, here is nothing at all. And this one is also 3M as well. So when you're walking around, this one will shimmer a little bit because it has this gasoline-y vibe to it. So it shimmers a little bit between these purple greenish tones, and it will reflect a little bit as well. So that's pretty cool. And then the connectors to the laces on version 1, it was sewn on the inside of the shoe, and now it's sewn on the outside. And just underneath, it says the brand with the 3 stripes, and it's not on version 1, because here we simply have the 3 stripes. Here we have the 3 stripes plus this little tag right here, the brand with the 3 stripes. So that's a little bit different part as well. And all the way to the top, we do not have this sock-like stretchy upper like we had on version 1, which is one of the main things why I love this shoe. One of them. This is super comfortable. Here we do not have it. It is not as easy to get into because this one is super stretchy and this one is not. But it's not bad though. It's just a different kind of feeling to it, a different kind of fit. But I like this one better. And then we move into the plugs or blocks. On the front one, it says Adidas. This one, however, is a little bit more tilted. It is not as rectangular or square shaped. This one is more boxy. This one is not. This one has a little bit more curvature to it, so it follows the shape of the shoe a little bit more compared to the original. And on the back one, nowadays it's completely flat compared to the original, where we have these stripes on both sides. On this one, it's flat on both sides. Another new thing as well is that it continues upwards here a little bit, and that adds a little bit more stability. I tried it on, and these parts right here add a little bit more stability compared to the original one. However, if you have a wide feet, I believe that this could add a little bit of discomfort. Here, everything is just super soft, and it feels excellent. For me, it's not that bad. But if you have a really wide feet, it could hurt or could be a little bit of discomfort, in my opinion. However, I do understand why they put this one here, because on the original, we have this big part right here at the back where it says Adidas and the trefoil logo, and this one adds a little bit more support. Now on the new one, we do not have that anymore. It's a lot stiffer compared to the new one, so we have more stability, and then they added the heel pull strap, which is on the top of the old one, but here it's connected to these side panels. The pull strap at the back, it says the brand with the 3 stripes in a few different languages, just like the original. And what made this shoe so popular was Boost, and this one has the same thing. Boost all the way around it, white and then white. And if we're taking a look at the inside of the shoe, we can still see the visible boost technology, and it says boost at the back part of the shoe. Other than that, there is no differences at all. The information label is placed right here on the inside on both of the shoes. One thing though that I just noticed is that the inner part towards the heel is a little bit softer compared to the original one. This one is a little bit more stiffer because we have some seams and so on. This one has a little bit of padded material, so it will feel in the long run a little bit better compared to version 1. And then taking a look underneath, yes, it's the same outsole. It's just a little bit different in coloration. This one is black and white, this one is black on black. But it says the same thing, Adidas, trefoil logo, the brand with the 3 stripes and so on. So nothing really new right here. All right, so let's see what this one looks like on feet. So what do you guys think about this shoe? Is this a winner? Is this not a winner? Does it continue the legacy of the R1 version 1? I kind of like this one better because I like this retro, this old school look with the stripes here. And the sock-like upper is amazing. It's softer, it's more loose. This one does not have that loosiness that, no, it's not the same. It's still a pretty good shoe. I, however, like this one better. So leave a comment down below what do you think about this shoe, and then I'll see you very soon again. Take care.